Did you guys know that RuneScape is called that way because of me? Because if you call me a noob, you can run, but you can't escape. Did I turn RuneScape into an FPS just to kill a guy? Yes. Yes, I did. Let's create a new project and name it something very original. Ah yes, an empty scene. What a delightful view for a complete burnout like me. What the f***? The bird just came into my house and dropped the entire main menu scene into my project. Thank you, I guess. I hate making main menus. That was motivation, bro. Now I can log into my account, but currently it shows my bank balance instead of loading a game. So I made this castle and some textures to paint the terrain with. I logged into RuneScape for reference and realized I already made a mistake. Lumbridge reuses the same materials and assets all over the place, so it's very inefficient to make each building from scratch. That is why I made this small modeler kit with which I can build straight in Unity. And by saying small, I mean around 180 objects. And since all the walls, floors and ceilings share the same material, Unity can draw all of them with just a few draw calls. For people that don't make games, it basically means the game go vun vun instead of pok 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 pok. Then, following some tutorials of this guy, I made bushes and trees for the game. I really like how it looks, but it has like a billion leaves, so I made an LOD system. For people who don't make games, it means that tree is here if you are near, but if you go, it disappears. I continued working on castle walls and small details that would sell this as RuneScape, and after making textures a bit darker, this is how it looks. Now we can go outside and… Wait, what are you doing? Take off your jacket, man, I mean outside the castle to make the rest of the world. I would never go outside in real life. Can you imagine me going outside? I mean, look at me, I have friends and social life, blah blah blah. Just kidding, of course, I have a lot of friends. I have Chandler, Ross, that's a really good friend. There's Monica, she's amazing. Shut up! Even though I have a lot of friends, none of them has helped me make 167 extra objects I needed to furnish the buildings. But hey, they helped me. In other ways. Since I don't want to make all of RuneScape, I made boundaries for how far players can go. The map goes from the back of Lumbridge Castle to Alcorid's fence horizontally, and from the cow farm to the graveyard vertically. And after around 5 hours of painting the terrain, we now have the Alcoridian Desert, Lumbridge Swamp, and roads to Draenor and Varrock. So in total we have around 500 visible meters of RuneScape. Stop this dramatic music and add some sad music, because now we approach the biggest challenge, making it all a multiplayer game. I decided to use Photon Fusion for it, but the moment I started coding I realized I need to know more if I want to make this work. I need to transcend my human body and mind limitations. I must turn into someone greater. I need to become brilliant. And with help of Brilliant.org, I did. Wow! Wanna learn to code? Yes! Having easier time learning by doing stuff? Oh yes! Brilliant got thousands of lessons from programming to neural networks. Wow! I want to make better games, computer science. I want to make my videos viral, data science. I want to know why people don't like me. Logic! Interactive lessons make it all so much easier to learn. Can't understand the problem? Just see the detailed explanation. It's not school. Nobody will hit you with a crowbar for it. Wait, what? You were taught that way? Oh, yes! Well, not with Brilliant. Here you learn at your own pace. Take on basic to advanced lessons and become brilliant no matter your current level. Go to brilliant.org/Giedzilla, get started for free and get 20% off from annual subscription so we can play RuneScape while discussing quantum mechanics. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to make a multiplayer. All this power. Every problem suddenly became a solution in front of me. Thank you, Brilliant. Now watch as I tackle this problem for all of us. I started by making the player movement, and using parallel sync, tried it out with 2 players. My computer doesn't like it when I use Unity. Imagine how he felt with not 1 but 2. So I had to kill this guy fast. But I don't have guns. Now you do. He doesn't take any damage. What about now? I don't know, I can't read, man. And now… Oh, I saw the blood, but he wouldn't die. Quick, he's hiding in the castle. He knows he's not immortal now. Oh, I found him. Okay, I'm shooting him. I'm killing him. He's taking damage, that's for sure. Oh yes, go. Oh, I think I did it. I killed him. You made him respawn, didn't you?
Sorry.
You son of a... I added player names and in-game messages to let you know who joined the game and who killed who. And it turns out you can kill yourself if shooting while walking backward. I guess walking capsules isn't that strong, so let's make him into a human. If you've watched my videos before, or if you are my local police officer, you might know that I like taking stuff that isn't mine. So I borrowed this Bob model from Sketchfab. He doesn't like that he doesn't have animation, so he acts like a little dog with a firework in his mouth. Now he's way happier. Using inverse kinematics, I made him turn towards the point he's looking at. Then I made ladders players can climb up and down. Wait, what happened? Let me try. Okay, everybody do not use ladders. I repeat, do not use ladders. It was time to try the game with someone else. I can't move. You touched the ladders, didn't you? No. What did I tell you about the ladder? I got tired of looking at a cube in my hand, so I made weapons for the game. And added destroyable boxes in which you can find guns ranging from bronze to rune or some snack to heal back up. I added headshots which multiply your damage by 5 and RuneScape hit markers that shows how much damage you just did. Added kill and death counters that I think should be reversed and built the game for final shootout with friends. Now I wanna warn you, I'm very good at the games I make, so if you don't wanna watch a complete massacre, close your eyes now. Everybody meet me in the main hall, I'm gonna explain the rules. Rule number 1, do not touch the ladders, understand?
Okay.
Rule number 2, it's kill or be killed. Oh, I see how it is, you want me to start trying. There goes 1, you know what, make it 2. I'm gonna grab this soul for my breakfast. What are you doing, you trying to run? Do you think a dog can stop me? You believe a dog? Oh, come on, where did you go? Don't hide from me, you think you can win in my own game? Oh, I see how it is. You want me to start really trying. Ah, come on. Wait, did someone just shot me in the back? All I see is a dead guy. Or was it you? No, you also dead. Can't find God in church? Well, I'll send you to him. Plot twist, it's me. Oh, you wanna cheat in my game? Well, too bad it's not a cheat day. It takes 2 to tango and 3 to die. You know what? I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna leave an auto clicker on my mouse and still gonna kill you all. What's going on here? We just cleaned this room. Fine, you can go. Oh, I see how it is. You're gonna start lying. And now you lost it. What's that noise outside? Hi, it's me, you're dead. Wait, if that is me, then who am I? If you've paid attention to in-game messages, you probably realized it's not actually my footage. One of my friends recorded all of this gameplay because my computer can't run the game smoothly. Here's some of the gameplay I did. Yeah, not so interesting. So what did we learn? 1. I suck at shooters. 2. My PC sucks even more. 3. I made a game in Microsoft Paint you can check by clicking here. And that is all. Thank you all so much for watching. Good night.